Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use live text on your iOS 26. So simply I'm provide full guide. So at first open your settings, general and software update. Make sure to update your iOS 26. I'm already updated my iOS 26. Okay, go back and open settings again. Go to search option, search set to live text. Okay, then you get this option. Make sure to turn on this. Okay, overall setup, and I'm use this. So open text photo and open this. Just long press, then select option, select the area. Okay, press on copy, and I'm easily sent anywhere in this text. Okay, or I'm sent message. So that's it.